County in central Oklahoma, southwestern Lincoln County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, extreme northwestern Pottawatomie County in central Oklahoma, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected severe thunderstorms located along a line extending from 3 miles north of McLeod to 3 miles southwest of Tinker Air Force Base, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazards in the warning include large damaging hail up to golf ball size, damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Midwest City, Choctaw, Hera, Spencer, McLeod, Nakoma Park, and Tinker Air Force Base. Move inside a sturdy building until the storm